What's up everyone, Brandon Carey here with another bike project. I've been looking for a bike like this for this kind of deal for a long time. I've wanted this bike. It's one of my dream bikes since it came out. It's the 2016 Yamaha YZ250F. It's in boxes, okay? Why do I do this to myself? Because I must live a certain way, all right? So check this out. The bottom end appears to be good. I'm still gonna go through it. We're already split, so I'm gonna go through it, put all new seals and bearings in there. The crank in here, believe it or not, is good. There's no play in that crank at all. I think it's the factory crank. All the pieces are here. I don't know, I'm gonna have to check the valve clearances. I might just go ahead and put new valves in it. RS4 Yoshimura full exhaust. Now, last I checked, that's north of $850 for the full exhaust, okay? It actually already comes with, it's a little ratted out, but Thrill Seeker's seat. Okay, it's got some pretty trick parts on it. It's got the full KYB Enzo front and rear, okay? These are the KYB SS forks. These are the best forks that came on this year, and this is one of the best handling bikes of this generation, actually. And this is one of the first, I think 2013 is the first one that Yamaha came out with. The air box is up front here, which makes a lot of sense. Once you see it and think about it, you're like, okay, air's coming in the front, going through the back. All right, yeah, that makes a lot more sense than air coming in the back, routing through the front to get pushed back out the back again. I just, yeah, this makes, Yamaha's the only one doing it. I don't know why Yamaha's the only one doing it. Apparently it gives this bike a lot more power. We're gonna see. I didn't like this at first. It's red. It's a Yamaha. Why is it red? Okay, but this is a Tusk Impact rim. Ironically, I also have the matching Tusk Impact rim. This isn't. This is just the Excel with the factory hub that they painted red. It's gotta go. I don't like that at all. So I actually do have a matching black Tusk Impact rim with a red hub that fits this axle size. So it is off of a YZ250F. Maybe that's the thing. I don't know. I might mix in the red. I might just go back to exactly what he gave me and just put this all back together and just make sure it runs right. Or I might tear it all down, polish the frame, do a full ground up restoration. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Today's Sunday, and Sundays are days off, so I think all I'm gonna do today is probably caffeinate myself, get some coffee in me, maybe go get some breakfast. I never eat breakfast. It's Sunday. I probably should just take it easy. Then I'm gonna come see where we're at with the bottom end. I'm gonna find all the pieces. I'm gonna lay them all out. I'm gonna organize everything. I'm gonna label everything. I'm gonna make a parts list, okay? That's what you need to do. The very first thing you need to do when you bring home a project bike, you need to lay everything out. You need to find out what you have, what you don't have, what's good, what's bad, make a parts list, order the parts. Step number one. So I haven't posted a video in a while. I'm sorry for that. I've been over at your mom's house, all right? I've been a little busy, okay? I only paid $500 for this thing with a title, all right? If you don't believe that, it's still true, all right? I paid $500 for this bike. It only needs a top end. The bottom end is good. I do have to reassemble it. So, you know, I'm gonna save a little bit of money on the labor and do it all myself, but it did come with a title, a New Mexico title. It's in someone else's name, but we're gonna get that taken care of. That's not a big deal. That's a really good deal for a 2016 YZ250F. It's been raced, okay? It's kind of a shit show, but we'll get it there.